Please put your hands together for Rasta now.
Put the same arrow here, then tan 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Okay, if I put the same arrow here, then sec 90 minus theta is equal to cosec theta. Okay, if I put this arrow in the opposite direction, I can take cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta, cos 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta, and cosec 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta. From here inside we can see that there are 6 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6.
Minutes. Seesaw guy of 9 will be followed by Vinesh of class 9
Our understanding of the universe will be incomplete. Hello, it's me. I am Sisu Hamrai. I am from class 9 Berry. I would like
will be followed by Yihan Yu of class 9 Rafi. Please get ready.
Good morning, one and all present here, respected principals and judges of IIT. Model of the topic names of shape. Today I will be explaining about this model. This model is on the topic names of shape. There are different types of 3D.
Prepare. After Yihan, we will have Rupraj Bharat with the speaking lead also from 9 Berry.
Good morning, everyone. I would like to thank respected principals, sir, vice principals, sir, the teachers, and all my dear friends for having me here, and especially are gone. So we can attempt to find the interior angle of a hexagon by multiplying 180 into 6. Probability. Probability is the likelihood of any event occurring from a possible set of events. Hello and good morning, students. Respected principal sir, vice principal sir, getting 4 was 1. Now when I spin this wheel again, I got 5. The probability of me getting 4 was 1 out of 2 since I only spin the wheel twice. Thank you. You are on a number. See, these are number that I have placed the distance 6 centimeter and 1 distance of 2 centimeter and 1 at the distance of 4 centimeter respectively.
Do you like this in background?
Good morning, everyone. Myself, Prasad Gautam from 9th Berry, and today I am in front of you all to present my model about some shapes that are commonly seen in our life, day-to-day life. These shapes are the main shapes which give form to the things around us. For example, the board behind our we use the formula 2 pi r, that is 2 into pi into r is radius, and the formula for its area is pi r square. By saying this much, I would like to leave the stage. Thank you.
And the remaining side is called base. So the formula becomes x squared equals to b squared plus b squared. And the longest side is x squared. Thank you.
Circumference of the circle is equal to the
Science exhibition, if you remember. So on Sunday, all these models will be put on display in the assembly grounds. And if you have great marks, but you are encouraged them, you will listen to them. Thank you very much.
Let us introduce one year and 1 year. Based on this model of feature. With these small I'm sorry, level surface area is
probability refers, it's a term often used for possibility when it refers to our completely different things. Possibility is the chances that we have, while probability is the calculation, like fraction with like a variable upper amount. It ranges from 0 to 1. Let's say, for example, I toss a coin. This is called experimental probability. The probability changes with the number of times you repeat it. So let's get into my model. We have 52 cards. So what is the probability of me getting ace of spade in out of 52 cards? It would be 1 by 52. The probability of me getting face card of diamond would be 3 by 52 because there are 3 face cards of diamond by the total number of cards. The probability of me getting 2 and 9 of club would be 1 by 26. It's 2 divided by 52 is 1 by 26. And the probability of me getting 11 of heart would be 0 because there is no 11 of heart. At last, I would like to thank my math teacher, Sanji sir, for giving this opportunity and pushing me forward to take part. Thank you.
I'm Susan from class 9 in Valley, and today I'm going to present a spear in front of you. So before that, I would like to thank all the teachers, the panel of judges, and all the coordinators present here. I would like to specially thank Sanjay sir for encouraging me to take part in the program. So I am a spear in mind. A spear is a geometrical shape. A spear is a geometrical shape with no sides. A spear is commonly used in our daily life.
Juniors and all my dear friends, I am Sanjay Guru and this for this example we will be
Good morning everyone, present lecture, respected teachers, students, and everybody. Number is number of working hours per hour. A student may be helpful with 1 by 8, meaning 8 hours per week. And number of working hours per week with the number is 7 by 8. A number is equal to, so the short answer will number 1 by 4. Thank you very much.
Unit damage is showing object in 6 square meter. If active is an A body. Active is a stress.
I am inside of BMSS and I would like to thank my teacher, math teacher for
Important part of this presentation. This here is a cuboid, as you can see. A cuboid is a third-dimensional rectangle. A cuboid is it is also known as rectangular prism. It has 6 faces, 12 edges, vertices. Each face is a rectangle in itself. And as you know, rectangles corners are always 90 degrees. So as you can see over there, this is a 90 degree faces of rectangle. Each faces is of course front, back, up, down, left, right. Thank you for your time. This is the
All of the formula except for pentagon and hexagon. So the perimeter of a circle is pi r. Perimeter of a rectangle is 1 by 2 d into 1. And the area of a quadrilateral is 1 by 2 into d into the d1 by d2. The d1 representing one diagonal and the d2 representing the second diagonal of a quadrilateral. There is much to say about this.
Ladies,
We have something on parts of circle.
Gregory, Vice Principal Sir,
teachers, and everyone present here. My name is Sabi Kurala and this is my friend Jenny Fry, and we are presenting our mod parts of circle. So before knowing parts of circle, let's know what is a circle. A circle is a plane figure. Plane figure means it is a two-dimensional object. Say. So it's a plane figure that is bounded by a curved line. Okay, bounded by a curved line, and when a straight line is drawn from a certain point, then that point is always equal. Okay, and that certain point here is the center of the circle. It is the center of the circle. And the straight line drawn, it is the radius. So another part of the circle is the diameter. Diameter, it is a line that joins 2 points of the circle through the center of the circle. Here you can see this blue line is the diameter. And another one is called chord. Now this is not a guitar chord, this is the circle's chord. This is a line here. And when with this chord, if you join it with this arc, and this is going to be a segment. And then when two radii meet with the arc of the circle, then that part is known as the sector. Another one is tangent. Tangent is nothing but it's a straight line. It's not a line segment, it's a line. It is a line that just touches the boundary of the circle. So one of the most important parts of the circle is the circumference. Circumference is also known as the perimeter of the circle. So its formula is 2 pi r, or pi the diameter, or 2 pi into the radius. So here is the circumference line. You can measure the radius from here, and then you can join these parts, and you can find that the formula is always correct. Thank you.
Three-dimensional object called cube, and there's a cuboid made up of 4 angles and 2 angles, which joins to form three-dimensional object called cuboid. Now there are 1, 2.
I am going to Today we are here to present our model of the variable and the power multiplied by a to the power n, and it would be a n plus n. Now we have question of a. There is a n divided by a n. A n minus, it will be a n minus n. So we have power of x.
And less than 8. Now full angle with angle is 360 degrees. And we have the next one also, which is reflex angle, which is greater than 180 degrees, and straight angle, which is exact 180 degrees. Third is intersecting, which is like tan cross
Table. There are 6 trigonometric ratios. They are sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta, and cot theta. The value of sin 0 degree is 0. The value of sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. And 45 degree is 1 by root 2. 60 degree root 3 by 2. 90 degree 1. And the value for cos theta 0 is 1. Cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. Cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2. Cos 60 degree 1 by 2, and cos 90 degree 0. So for tan we have the value 0 degree equals 0, 30 degree 1 by root 3, 45 degree 1, 60 degree root 3 and 90 degree infinite. And now it's turn cosec. Cosec theta is the opposite ratio of sine theta. The value of cosec 0 is infinite, 30 is root 3, 45 degree is 1, 60 degree is 1 by root 3 and 90 degree is 0. Saying all that, I would like to end my presentation here. Thank you.
Respected teachers, judges and everyone present in the audience. We are students from A Class D. Her name is Arati Rai and I am Nitya Bhatrai. We are presenting the forms of presenting statistics. The first one is bar graph. A bar graph is a chart. A chart is a pictorial representation of data in the form of a circular chart or pie where the slices of the data show the size of the data. And the third one is histogram graph. A histogram graph is a graph representation of data. It is a representation of angle or angle of outcomes into columns formation along the x-axis. And the last one is line graph. A line graph is a graphical representation of information that changes over a time period. Unfortunately, our project won't be able to rotate because of an issue. So, thank you.
Presentators who come on stage, the loudness in their voice, how well they are able to captivate you with what they have to say, all that matters. So the ones who come on stage should also keep it in mind that you should be very articulate, very clear and loud to have the audience's attention. Okay? So audience, you'll have to support them. Please keep silence, please. All right. And a lot depends upon you all also. Okay, carry on.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Saksha from class 8C and I am here standing to participate in mathematical model presentation. And with very thankful thoughts to my teachers for giving me an opportunity to participate in such a competition. My theme for this presentation is called polyhedron. First, what is a polyhedron? A polyhedron is a 3D shape with flat polygonal faces, straight edges, and sharp corners or vertices. Meaning, some examples of 3D shapes like spheres, cylinders, or cones are not included as they do not fit into the criteria. There are many different types of polyhedrons based on their various properties. There are 3 to be specified. Some examples of polyhedron include cube, tetrahedron, which we commonly know as pyramid, dodecahedron, and isosahedron. Isosahedron, a polyhedron with 20 polygonal faces, which are in the shape of a triangle and having straight edges. To learn about the relationship between the vertices, faces, and edges of a polyhedron, we learn what we know as the Euler's formula, which is V minus E plus F is equals to 2, where V is representing vertices, E is representing edges, and F is representing faces. Not only in mathematics, but in our real-life world, we can observe the application of polyhedron, from simple brick houses and footballs to complex architectures, crystal structures, and even in nature, we can observe where polyhedrons are applied. With that much said, I would like to thank our audience for giving me an opportunity to listen out my voice, and to the school for giving all students such opportunities to showcase their own talents and to build self-confidence within them. Thank you.
We present our model which is based on Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem was first introduced by a Greek mathematician. ought to. My name is Kumar, I'm from class 8. Today I'm going to show the model presentation of different kind of triangles. Here from grade 8 question, representing my model of square indicators. In this model, I have used wheels that help me to show the squares. As you can see here, the square of 2 is 4. Now we can see that the square of 4 is 16. We can use this square machine in lower classes so that the children can understand way more easily, as the children tend to remember what they do more than what they see. So I hope you like this project. Thank you.
Triangle is defined as the two ray or lines which is formed which has the same in
It has 6 sides, as you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To find the formula of volume of cube, this will be the formula L cube. And to find the total surface area.
Cube is a three-dimensional. Cube is a three-dimensional solid object, but is not surrounded by six square faces or sides. The length of every side of the cube is equal, and its formula to find the volume is a cube, and its total surface area is also 6a square, and is known as the sine weight of a cube. And now about the triangle.
Algebraic formulas are composed of numbers, alphabets, for size and power. For example, a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square, and also a square plus b square is a plus b, a minus b. By understanding and using these formulas, we can make math more accessible and efficient. And Joseph Panel. I am Subanaraya from grade 8 OC. Standing in front of you, basically my Pythagoras theorem. And I am thankful to my optional teacher, Mrs. Tasar, for mathematical presentation. So, I'll give you an introduction about Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem is named for the great philosopher Pythagoras, was born around 570 BC. So, Pythagoras theorem, also known as Pythagoras theorem, it is one of the most used theorem in mathematics. Pythagoras theorem is the fundamental relation in Euclidean geometry of three sides of right angle. So it states that the area of the square, which is hypotenuse, opposite to the right angle, and is equal to the sum of the areas of the other two squares. It's symbolically stated. So bar graph is a graph that represents a bar graph is a graph that represents the categorical data using rectangular bars. The rectangular bars gives visual display for comparing quantities in different categories. Representing our model Pythagoras theorem. Before going further to the model, this is basically the computer standing in front of you. Here is my friend Miriam. Today we are going to explain about algebraic formula. The algebraic formula is not here. It's me, Abigail Brady, and friend Divisha Gosling.
during our project, people can remember about this forever. Thank you.
Hey, I am here to show my mathematical model presentation of the formula a plus b whole square. As you can see in my model, here is a square 2ab or b square. From this equation, we can find the Judges and all my friends. I am Arya Libu from class 8 Meiji and my friend Nurik Libu and yes.
What are angles? Angles are geometric figures that is formed by two rays or line segments that have common shape endpoint. That is common shape. Now let's move on to types of angles. Firstly, we have acute angle, which is less than 90 degrees. We can also say that it is between 0 degree and 90 degrees. For example, 40 degrees.
For one side, is it balanced? So I'm gonna put one side. So is it balanced? So this is how the equation works. Thank you. Almost sum is 180 degree. As you can see here, if we sum x degree and y degree, the answer will come 180 degree. As you can see here also, if we sum x degree and 55 degree, the sum will be 180 degree. In another step, x is equal to. The name is LCM Math Project. All the students, not only information but the information in here.